Do you ever feel like you're fighting a losing battle with your hair? Whether it's tangled, frizzy, or just plain unmanageable, it can be incredibly frustrating. Many people don't realize that the secret to great hair isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. Each hair type has its own unique needs and characteristics. This guide is your key to understanding your unique hair type and unlocking its full potential. By learning what makes your hair special, you can tailor your care routine to suit it perfectly. We'll explore different hair types, straight, wavy, curly, and coily, and delve into what makes each one unique. We'll reveal the secrets to keeping each one looking its best, from the right products to the best styling techniques. Get ready to discover a world of personalized hair care. With the right knowledge and tools, you can transform your hair into your crowning glory. Straight hair is known for its sleek and shiny appearance. The key to maintaining its health and vibrancy lies in using lightweight products that won't weigh it down. Look for gentle shampoos and conditioners specifically designed for straight hair. Did you know? Straight hair tends to get oily faster due to its smooth surface, allowing sebum to travel down the hair shaft easily. A wavy hair falls somewhere between straight and curly, with a beautiful natural texture that can range from loose waves to more defined S-shapes. To enhance those waves, use products that provide moisture and definition without creating frizz. A lightweight leave-in conditioner or curl cream can work wonders. Fun fact: wavy hair can be more prone to frizz than straight hair due to its slightly raised cuticles. Section 4. Unlocking the secrets of curls. Curly hair is all about embracing those gorgeous spirals and coils. Each curl pattern is unique and beautiful in its own way. Hydration is key for curly hair, so opt for rich moisturizing shampoos, conditioners, and deep conditioning treatments. These products help to lock in moisture and keep your curls looking vibrant and healthy. Avoid sulfates and silicones, which can strip away natural oils and lead to dryness. Instead, look for products that are specifically formulated for curly hair, as they will be gentler and more nourishing. Here's a tip. Try using a wide-tooth comb or your fingers to detangle curly hair in the shower while conditioner is still in it. This helps minimize breakage. Detangling when your hair is wet and slippery makes the process much easier and less damaging. Section 5. Embracing the coil. A journey of hydration. Coily hair, with its tight curls and coils, is the most delicate and prone to dryness. Moisture is essential. Deep condition regularly, ensuring that every strand is nourished and hydrated. This step is crucial in maintaining the health and elasticity of your curls. And consider incorporating a leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioners provide an extra layer of moisture and protection, keeping your hair soft and manageable throughout the day. Or hair oil into your routine. Oils can seal in moisture and add shine, making your curls look vibrant and healthy. Protective styles like braids or twists can help retain moisture and prevent breakage. These styles also give your hair a break from daily manipulation, reducing the risk of damage. Interesting fact: coily hair has the slowest growth rate of all hair types, growing at an average of about half an inch per month. This makes it even more important to focus on gentle care and moisture retention. Use wide tooth combs or your fingers to detangle, and always start from the ends, working your way up to the roots, ready to love your hair. Embrace the beauty of your natural curls and give them the care they deserve. Browse our selection of personalized hair care products. We offer a range of products specifically designed for coily hair, ensuring that you find the perfect match for your unique needs. And discover the routine that's perfect for you. With the right products and care, your coily hair can thrive and look its best every day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more self-care tips and beauty routines. Stay glowing, and see you in the next video.